The Configurator allows you to create custom light bars in real time on your computer or tablet. To get started, simply click Add Light. You can then name your project and begin to create your light bar. Use the drop-down filters to access additional features and specifications. You can click on the information icon to get additional technical detail on each item. You will create your custom light by selecting options from the 6 product menus. A live 3D representation of your light will be updated as you add features. The Configurator will walk you through everything required to build your light, from light color to voltage and cord lengths. When you're done creating your light, click the Finished button. You'll then be able to review a parts list to get the full details of your project. You can change the quantity of custom-made lights you need, save your project light bar configurations, and even add them directly to your shopping cart. Saved configurations for reordering or review are easily accessed by going to My Configurations under the My Account area of our website. Another option to consider is Häfele's complimentary lighting design services team, which will create a custom lighting plan and price quote for your project.